Hello YouTube, I'm back with another vlog video. I am eating some walnuts. Lovely, 10 out of 10. I ate quite a bit. Very yummy. Now I want to exercise a bit because I haven't today. A lot of soaps here, and I built this wood thing. Yeah. Here's my electric toy, which will be taking me wherever I'm going. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to the market, get some stuff, and I will sit somewhere, chill. See you on the next part. Bye bye.
2 hours later.
Yeah, I just drank and ate everything. I was planning on exercising, doing some push-ups and all that, but I couldn't find the place I wanted, so I will do them back at home. Now I'm gonna work out 30 kilos, record it, and do some push-ups. We'll do a bit more of that, and I will do push-ups after that. I may just do squats, maybe, but I don't want to do legs, so I found my guy. When I was showering, he was just in the shower. Now I'm gonna get saved by me. My tissue. Here's my guy. I'm gonna leave him outside. Yeah. Oof. Yeah. Go live your life, bud. Check out my setup. It's fire. This is new. It's for soap. Put soap in it. Then it's a shape like this. Actually, I have one more. This one is a bit smaller, but Yeah, they have similar shapes. This one's big, this one's small. And I have one more coming today, which is a heart or soaps controller. I mean, if you play Minecraft, you can comment and we can play Minecraft together. Yeah, I don't think I will do anything much today, so I might end the video